Actually two. My friend installed these 3 new dryers. Wonderful job. But back behind here, pretty straightforward to install. Getting the ductwork in, and these new dryers just basically plug into place, and you're hooking up the gas line install. And plug it up. But the problem was, where did you put the old dryers? They ended up in the parking lot. I called the scrapyard, and they said, we do not want that. So I went and told management, and the look on her face, I thought, well, we're going to have to solve this problem. I'm a problem solver. So I took and I said, listen, we're going to get some blades. We're going to cut this stuff up. I didn't know it was not going to be that easy. This took almost 2.5 hours. So I proceeded to look over this. And when I got the best blade I thought you could get, the Sawzall blade. I used this before when I was cutting up some stuff in Miami. I mean, when I was doing construction on my house, the Sawzall blade got me through. But this project, 2.5 hours, only got one of them. I was able to demolish one of them. 2.5 hours. So the next time it's going to be much easier because I know exactly where to cut and what to do. So I took my Sawzall blade and began cutting. They had a problem. This was my solution. I didn't know how long it was going to take, but now I know it took over 2.5 hours. And because of the way these dryers were constructed, it was built where some of it, the welding was hollowed and it was like in the way. So I couldn't just cut straight through. Had to cut, maneuver, take a crowbar, pry open, cut some more. That was time consuming. But this is what happened. Just slide this out of the slide in this building. This tab. Amazing. I'm using the Milwaukee torch, Sawzall blade from Home Depot. there was a cast iron molding that was holding the drum into place with a long steel rod in the center, and there were about 4 rods on the outside holding the drum to this cast iron bracket. That was the problem. I couldn't even, this thing was so heavy and awkward. So I had to remove the rods, cut around this thing, had to get these 4 long rods out. Then I had to cut some more, and then finally the drum came out. The job's getting done, the problem's getting solved. So guess who they should give more money to? This needs to be shown to headquarters, to corporate. Said, look what happened here. Guess who we're gonna have to pay? Diversity too.